Hi, I'm Max. If you're a store owner or a marketer, you know how hard it is to retain and convert customers once they get to your site. If you think about all the content that we're used to, it's mostly short form and video style content. But if you think about the e-commerce experience, it's been relatively unchanged for the last 20 years. And we are here to fix that. Now, I'm going to walk you through how you can embed shoppable video throughout your site and really make it feel like a social app experience while being able to check out directly through the video, as you can see right here. All of this is done actually without slowing down your site whatsoever. This isn't like a YouTube embed. You're not hosting these videos on Shopify. We're hosting these directly through lyvecom. And let me just show you how easy it is to really add this on a product description or have a floating video widget where customers can really engage, really get a good sense of how this product looks, what they're buying, and ultimately really increasing their time spent on site, their confidence level on buying the product, and just overall better experience than, let's say, YouTube embed or like a Vimeo. So let's dive right in. What you're gonna do is hop over into our dashboard. We're gonna go ahead and create a new story campaign. So we're gonna go ahead and create a story. Call it whatever you want. This is actually going to be the overlay on the actual video, but let's say we want to do a collection release. Hit next. Select the product that you want to be tagged, and then hit finish. That is basically it. Now all that's left is to upload your MP4. So let's grab the video. It can be any size. We don't have limits, but again, we do recommend maintaining sort of a social experience and keeping those short, since attention span nowadays are not the longest. So we're gonna go ahead and upload this video. Great, we got it in. And all that's left to do is to really embed it anywhere on your site. And we have two ways of embedding it. You can have a floating widget, or you can have an embed as you previously saw. So let's go ahead and choose the widget. We're gonna go ahead and copy the code and hop over to our Shopify builder. Now there's a few ways that you can embed this. You can drop this into a product description, just like I have here, or you can use the Shopify page builder or the Shogun builder, really anything to drop an HTML snippet. So let's go ahead and open up our theme. We're gonna hit customize, and let's say we wanna add a floating widget on our homepage to greet your customers and highlight a new collection that you guys are dropping. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and add a new section. We're gonna search for either custom liquid or HTML. It depends on your theme what this is gonna be called. But you're gonna go ahead and grab a custom liquid section, right? We have it right here. We're gonna decrease the padding, make it invisible, and simply drop the code snippet right in here. Hit save, and once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and refresh this. And there's our floating widget. Let me open it directly on the store so we can all see it. And there it is, directly on the homepage. Customers can go ahead and swipe around. And once they do open it, again, it's a shoppable video directly on your site. They can pull up the PDP, select any of the variants they actually want to check out with. And once they add to cart, it will take them directly to the store's native checkout. That is pretty much it. And if we want to take a look at mobile, we're going to expect Element, but the experience is very sort of social app-like that people are accustomed to and used to. And again, you can add it to cart and check out natively directly through the store's checkout. On top of it, you will be getting all of the valuable analytics and insights like views, click-through rates, add to cart, etc. So you can really understand how well your assets are performing. Now, the second way of embedding, as I mentioned earlier, is a embed directly into the site. So kind of similar to a YouTube or a Vimeo embed, but again, you're getting that engagement, you're getting all of those e-com specific analytics, and you're not slowing down your site. So if we can go ahead and let's say we want to add it to the description, just like we did here, all we're gonna do is hop over to our products, let's say, right? We're gonna open up the PDP that we actually wanna drop this in. And again, you can also use a custom HTML snippet if you don't wanna add it to the description. But If you go ahead, as you can see, I already have a script in here, right? Once you drop it in and hit save, and again, you can really place this anywhere, but if we take a look at this product, let's go ahead and view it, right? There we have our shoppable video right there. And ultimately, again, you're really providing customers with something familiar and something that they can engage with. So now you're actually driving revenue directly from your videos instead of just having them up without understanding how well they're performing or how they're impacting your overall revenue goals and engagement. Thank you so much, and we hope you have fun with these. Bye.